Hello and welcome to another Magic Spanners video, and today we're going to be fitting some wind deflectors to a Mitsubishi Shogun Sport. Now the kit does come with some alcohol wipes that you need to clean the area where you need to put the wind deflectors on, but I always keep a nice big litre bottle of alcohol handy just for these applications if they ever arise. So let's go meet the patient. So here we have our Mitsubishi Sport that's having the wind deflectors fitted today. So the first thing to do is just clean the area that the wind deflectors are going to attach to, and the other three are out here, so I'm just going to do that now. And repeat that process on the driver's side, and there you go. That's how you fit a set of wind deflectors on a Mitsubishi Shogun Sport. Ta-da!